Welcome! In front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings, and here we have the brightness icon. Tap on this icon, the one that looks like the sun, to change the level of brightness, and you can keep tapping on it to cycle between different levels of brightness, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. You can also do this through settings, so you can swipe right on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it, and here we have, here we have the option called screen light. You can tap on it, and you can adjust the brightness by tapping on minus and plus buttons. And once you're done, of course, press the side button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.